course I'm taking is called Back to Glams. Here, kids make their first animated stories about life.
Today, we worked in the Scratch program and created a fun game called Aquarium.
In class, we often work together on computers. We create cartoons with animals.
I want to become a programmer and make cartoons. For example, movies and video games. But only ones that are good for the brain.
The children learn the basics of algorithmics, which will help them do well in school later on. And this is their first step toward the future, to creating their own big projects.
My mom and dad brought me to CODDY, and I liked it here.
I really like it here because there are lots of friends.